Hi guys, welcome to my video on how to make money on YouTube without monetization. Now in a moment, I'm going to show you how I made $141.08 in one day using a very special system that literally generated me at least 29 page one rankings, and how you can do the very same thing literally following this system. So let's get into the video. Now, when it comes to monetizing your YouTube channel with YouTube themselves, you're going to need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, this can take quite a while and can be frustrating, especially if you're not producing content at a frequent rate. So either you're going to have to produce a whole bunch of hour-long videos, or you're going to try and do what some people do, which is go ahead and buy fake views and fake subscribers. Now, this might sound like a good idea in the beginning. The problem is it always comes back to bite you. You see, if YouTube finds out what you're doing, it may harm your channel, impeding your ability to rank certain videos and also hurt your ability to be monetized moving forward. So that's why in this video, we're going to explore a couple of options. What options do you have when it comes to monetizing your channel outside of YouTube? Well, number one is you could do e-commerce. Now, when it comes to e-commerce, you're really talking about Shopify stores, Amazon FBA, or even print on demand. So places like Teespring or Printful who fulfill the whole process. This isn't a bad idea, especially when it comes to the t-shirts, because you can make a channel around whatever niche you are in. So if it's dogs, for example, you had a video around Dobermans and you made Doberman t-shirts, maybe meme type of t-shirts. This could literally be perfect for you, because all that would happen is you would be driving people to your point of sale, which would be your Printful store, maybe it's your Shopify store, or even Amazon Print. You would be driving people to your point of sale. What happens now is you would give Printful or Teespring your design, and they would produce anything from mugs to t-shirts to hoodies, making the whole process very easy, because all you'd have to do is set the price. So if it costs them $15 to make a hoodie and the profit margin is 10, they're going to handle the delivery, they're going to handle the production. All you have to do is get people over there. So e-commerce and print on demand are great ways for you to try and monetize your channel. Another method would be brand deals. Now, brand deals can get a bit tricky because you somewhat kind of have to have a bit of leverage in that situation. So normally this is perfect for people that may have a following on Twitter, on Instagram, somewhere else, and they're bringing that following over to YouTube. Well, this is where you can go ahead and utilize and leverage that following to get you more followers on YouTube. And that might even give you the ability to renegotiate the terms of your deal. So in the beginning, it may be about them giving you products. So for makeup channels, it would be them sending you products, whether it's eyeliners, lip gloss, powder, you name it. They will send you products to review, and the win might be you actually get free products, right? In the beginning. Eventually, you want to get to the point where they are compensating you for your platform. And you might be in a situation where you have a bit of a following, but not quite meeting the criteria. So maybe you've got 500 subscribers, so you're not quite yet at 1,000. That's all right. You can still leverage brand deals to make some money. Sponsorship is somewhat similar. People want to be associated with you, so you might have to have a bit of a following, but it's still doable. If you have a channel that's related to a cause, or maybe you have a video that is talking about a specific cause, whether it's animal rights, human rights, you can literally partner up with a sponsor, and this could be quite lucrative. Now, another way you can monetize your YouTube channel is actually providing services. So if you have a business that's already in place and you want to use YouTube to leverage and drive targeted traffic to your service, then you do not need to be monetized in order for this to be successful. All you have to do is have the ability to put your video in front of the right audience. And I'll show you how this is possible towards the end of the video. Now, I personally believe affiliate marketing is the best possible option to monetize your channel. First of all, there's zero cost when it comes to affiliate marketing, and YouTube is a free platform in itself. So all you have to do is understand this whole situation right here. If you have a YouTube video and you're able to get it on the front page of Google, you're going to make a lot of money because you have an audience for life that you can email consistently, but at the same time, you have a #1 ranked position. And this is very powerful. In fact, this is part of the system I'm going to reveal to you later on. Now, in the beginning of the video, I told you how I was able to make $141.08 using this very system, getting page 1 rankings. Now, what does page 1 rankings look like? Let's look at ClickFunnels. Let's type in review. Now, as you can see, there's 3,600 monthly viewers for this specific keyword, and it is costing people $11.24 to be here, run these specific ads. That can get quite costly, right? Because this is ClickFunnels themselves, this is lead funnels, this is GrooveFunnels, and this is GetResponse. These are big time players in the field. You are not going to be able to outcompete companies like this as an individual. So what's the next best thing, or I would even argue even better, is getting your video on page 1 for free. You cannot beat that. It's costing these guys nothing to be here, yet they're getting a lot of sales, a lot of traffic, and becoming an authority in that space. And this is the power of being able to rank your videos on page 1. And I myself was able to do this. And because I was able to do this, I was able to make $141.08 just posting one video. And this is so powerful because if you break down what that means, $141 times 7, that's $987 a week. And if you do it for a full month, that's $3,948. And I have not spent a penny to make the product because I do affiliate marketing, and I haven't spent a penny to promote it because I use YouTube. All I did was use a very specific system that guarantees that I rank products out the gate. Now, let me just show you some of my results. So I've covered up my videos because I'm enjoying my rankings right now. I don't necessarily want to get knocked off anytime soon. But just in terms of my tracker, you're going to see I'm ranking number 1 here for 9 out of 10 videos on YouTube itself. Then I'm ranking number 1 all the way through on Google, and I'm ranking number 1 on Google videos. Now, this will give my channel a lot of authority because I'll go on to make more videos that's addressing problems, and combine these first rankings with those videos, I'm going to be able to drive a lot of juice and authority to those videos to help rank those videos. This is why you cannot ignore YouTube as an option to promote your products and services right now, today in 2021 and beyond, because it's a blue ocean. There's endless possibilities. There's no limit as to how far you can take this, guys. And that's just the honest truth. If I was able to make $141, literally posting one video overnight, with 15 views to that video, how much more could you do if you were dedicated and passionate about it? How much more could you do when you had the right person backing you, right? The right person guiding you, the person who's made over 3 million in 6 weeks using this same method for free. And I'll introduce you to that guy later on. But I just want to impress upon you how important this is for your business and services. This is a brand new ClickBank account, a brand new channel, and I was able to do this. As you can see, I got that commission on the 24th of June. It's literally the 26th right now. I was a day late in terms of recording this. I had other things to do, but essentially that is the possibilities, and there's going to be much more because now I'm going to create more videos because I know what works. You see, once you know what works, all you have to do is create more videos and scale around that same topic. That's as easy as it gets. But there's a specific formula that I use that makes it work. You see, you can't just go ahead and just post videos and expect things to happen. There's a specific formula that makes this work all the time. And I'm going to make sure I show you that at the end. So now the question is, how can you get a similar result like I got? How can you make $100 a day doing the same thing? Well, number 1, you have to do your keyword research around your product and niche, right? You have to make sure that you have an audience, and you have to make sure the product that you're picking is actually selling. There has to be proof of concept, guys. You can't just grab anything and throw it out there and hope to win. You have to be very strategic about this. So how did I go about this very process? Well, the first thing I did was I got myself this tool called Keywords Everywhere. Now, what this tool is going to do is going to help you figure out how many people are actually searching for the keyword that you're putting in Google. The reason why you want to do that is you want to know that there's some search volume behind it. You see, if there's some search volume on it for Google, then all you have to do is place your video on that front page and you're getting traffic just like that. So your job is to make sure that you look at the keywords. So let's say like let's go back to ClickFunnels review. So if I go back to ClickFunnels review and you can see that there's 3,600 monthly viewers, this might be worth my while. However, you want to kind of see what else can you rank for. It might not be as high of competition. So if you look on the right, you're going to get related keywords. Now, maybe ClickFunnels review is too high of a competition. You're thinking, oh, I'm never going to get here. It's 3,600 people. Well, look on the right and see what else is available. Now, straight away, is ClickFunnels worth it? 210 monthly searches. Now, this might be worth going for. Do you know why? Because anybody who is typing is ClickFunnels worth it has buyer intent, which means they're looking to make a purchase. They just need a recommendation or to do some more research to feel comfortable and confident about making that purchase. So if you can place your video on the front page of Google for is ClickFunnels worth it, then 210 monthly people are possibly going to look at your video, which means you could possibly make money as an affiliate. And let's take a look. 1, 2, 3. So these guys are going to get the benefit from 210 people checking them out every month. So you want to make sure that you get keywords everywhere. It's a powerful tool. All you have to do is top up $10 credit. As you can see here, I've still got at least 47,000 credits left. And I started off with 100,000 and I am a search maniac. So this is going to last you a very long time. You won't have to top up for a long time. So you're pretty much good if you do this. So next you want to figure out what products can you find to kind of promote. So let's go to Marketplace. Now on the left hand side, you're going to get all the niches you can actually find products in, whether it's health and fitness, green products, games, fiction, education, e-business. You have all these products available to you. However, if you want to kind of hedge your bets on something that's actually performing well right now, what you would do is you would come to find products. Instead of typing in anything in this section here, you would hit the search tab. And what that's going to do is going to generate all the products that are actually popular right now. So if you go down, you're going to see here, Flat Belly Tonic, that's 136 they're paying you out to promote this. So hey, if you're happy with that, there's more 173. These are health, and this is health, this is health. This is like numerology, right? Does pretty well, but not such a high payout, but converts very well. You can keep going until you find something that works for you. But let's say you decided to go with BioFit. All you would do is press promote. You would grab your link. And this is what you're going to use to share underneath your video in order for people to actually make a purchase through your affiliate link. Next is what I like to call value stacking. Now, what is value stacking? Value stacking is actually giving or offering somebody a bonus in order to incentivize them to purchase through you. Imagine if you went to go and buy a car and they said, if you buy this car, we will pay for your insurance for a whole year. Now that would sweeten the deal and might push you over the edge to actually make the purchase. So this is what you want to do. You want to offer your leads, stroke customers, extra value for their purchase. This can come in the form of a discount or free extra when it comes to the product itself, or maybe it's free delivery, extra credit, so 50% off next time that you make a purchase. Or if you're in the internet marketing space like I am, I like to give softwares, I like to give free training, I like to give consultations and video training. Because I know if I'm promoting a product, I'm going to look at that product to figure out what is that product lacking. What can I add on to the product to make this experience better for my customer? And that's how you need to think. But if you don't have a product yourself or you can't provide consultations or whatever it is, I suggest that you go to a website that can give you what you need. And that is IDPLR. Now, what's going to happen here is you have access to all these free products, whether it's ebooks, software, videos, audios. I mean, you name it all. All you have to do is type in your needs. So let's say it's health and fitness and you're in the keto space. Let me type in keto and see what comes up. So maybe you're selling a supplement or you're selling a keto diet plan or some kind of keto product. You could say that if you buy this product from me, I'm going to give you Keto Truth, Easy Keto, and the video upgrade, right? And maybe the Bulletproof Keto Diet. So now I'm thinking, wow, I'm literally getting extra value for my purchase because they already wanted to buy what you were selling. But now you've made it an easier choice. You've addressed that kind of doubt in the customer's mind, whether it's like, well, I do want to buy it, but can I? And then you've made it worth their while. Always try to give as much value as possible when it comes to dealing with your customers or potential leads. You always want to give way more than they've purchased. And this is why this system is so important, because you can literally give them value in the video, direct them to the page, as I said, rank, build your email list, make the sale, and continue making sales until they unsubscribe or continue to make more purchases. You're going to need a landing page builder in order to capture these leads. And I personally use Kartra. Now, this is just an image of one of my actual landing pages, but essentially you get the point. Before they go to the offer, I'm going to send them to this page here, When they click this button right here, it's going to generate an opt-in page. They're going to give me their name and email, or maybe just the email without the name, depending on what you want or how you set up your funnel. Now, that's going to give me an advantage because whether they make a purchase today or tomorrow doesn't necessarily matter. As long as I keep on nurturing my list by emailing them, at some point they are going to make a purchase, and I'm going to be able to retain them for a longer period of time than if I just sent them directly to the offer. And this is how I made the 141 in one day, because my system was set up to capture and remarket consistently. And in one day, I was able to convert 3 people at $47 each, which is mind-blowing because that's going to continue to happen the more videos that I make. Now that you've got your landing page, you can go ahead and start creating your YouTube video, right? So remember, you've got the product, you've got the bonuses, you know what niche you're targeting. Now it's okay for you to start making the content. Now you can make the content using a software like Vidnami, or you can use the many free tools available to you on your Mac or online. But I'm also going to share with you my action plan document that's going to have everything you need in that document. So don't worry if you don't see it necessarily spelled out verbatim here. I'm going to leave a list of all the stuff that you would need and all the links to them. So I'm going to make your life very easy when it comes to that. And this is pretty much how I'm able to make $141 a day. Now, this is a watered down version of the system that I've learned. My mentor, Paul Murphy, is the person that taught me how to do this. Now, he has a system called Affiliate Tube Success, and he literally helped me generate the $100 with no paid ads, just using Google and YouTube. And when I say this works for any product, I literally mean it works for any product. You can rank number 1, 2, and 3. And best of all, everything you do is evergreen. Unlike Facebook ads and YouTube ads and Google ads, everything here is evergreen, meaning once it's up there, you're going to have it there for years to come. Now, below in the description is where you can get access to Paul's free training, where he's going to show you how he made $3 million in 6 weeks using these very same methods that generated me $141. All you have to do is hit the link below, go ahead and sign up for the free training. And because you sign up to that free training, I'm going to give you access to my 10-part video series for free. So all you have to do is go below, sign up, and take action and watch the free training by Paul. When I say you won't regret it, I mean you won't regret it. It's just amazing. And you too can start earning for free without spending any money, without needing YouTube to monetize your video, and just start taking action on your dreams. Check out the free training and my video series, and I'll see you on the other side of that, where I'll give you some more information on how you can execute everything.